Okay, so the next thing is to clean the EGR valve and the cooler portion of the EGR. What I do, I plug the bottom, and then I fill the entire container with this product. This guarantees to break everything that is grease, oil, mud, whatever. And then you will see in 1 second here how wow, it's like chocolate, but it comes out nice and shiny. I'm not sure you can see right there. Yeah, look at how nice and clean. But look at it. Then I open the top, and then you can actually see right here everything that this product broke down. Look at this. Oh my God. So now I'll just go ahead and rinse until everything comes out. And oh my God, looks like brand new. Nice and shiny. Look at that. Before you couldn't see anything. All of this was completely blocked. But now you can actually see. Let me see if you can see the light shining through. Right there. You see, before you couldn't see anything. Now every passage is nice and clean. So I'll just continue rinsing until all this crap comes out. Wow, look at this. Wow. You see, there's still a lot of crap inside here. Can you see it? But this thing will break it very nicely. These are not cheap. These are about $400 or $500 part. Look at it, it's nice and clean. Wow.